Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can disable your OneDrive backup in your PC or laptop. To do so, all you have to do is go into Google Chrome browser and simply download the OneDrive application of desktop into your laptop or your PC. After that, after downloading the app, all you have to do is simply log in and input your credentials into the app and just finish setting it up. After you have finished the setup, you can see that a OneDrive personal kind of folder will open up and automatically be in your file explorer. From there, simply right click inside the folder and go on to settings. After that, you'll be able to see a sync and backup option. From here, simply turn off these options to save photos and videos and also save screenshot, and you'll be able to disable all of the auto backup features of OneDrive. And that is how easy it is to disable your auto backup features of OneDrive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.